Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you some masking techniques, path through, and connecting text to a mask, like you see on the screen right now. We'll go ahead and start on the edit page. Go to Media Pool, right click, New Fusion Comp. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. Go ahead and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. Start out with a background. Turn that alpha all the way down. I'm going to put the playhead at frame 0. With the background selected, you can just click on the merge, it'll automatically connect. Let's get another background and a rectangle. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed, can't use my hands and arms. I put it out there every time because I've been questioned why I have it up there in the way. Like the first example, I'll show you how to easily connect the text to the mask, the background, just through the merge. Get a text node. Without the rectangle animated in any way, there's no keyframes or anything done to it, you cannot connect it using the merge. You'd right click on the center, go down to connect to, but there's nothing there. Now let's go ahead and animate this. Now if we select that merge and go to the center XY, right click, go connect to, path 1, position. It'll snap right to it. It'll stay right there. Now if you want to do multiple things and have them all moving at once, you can't do it this way. We'll double click, delete that. Let's make the background gradient. Go back to the gradient. We're going to animate that with the offset. Go right click on it, modify width, anim curves. I'll select ping pong. Set that diagonal. That changes the direction the animation is moving. It'll follow the line. Let's get an ellipse. See, with nothing animated, again, I go back to the center XY, connect to, there's nothing there. So with that merge selected, pin it. I'll select the rectangle. Go to the merge, right click on the center. Make an expression. And we'll grab the pick whip. Go up here to center and let go. Now the text snapped right to the rectangle. But if you move one or the other, it won't move with it. Let's grab another rectangle now. These are connected as a path, one through the other and through the other. You want to put this text with the ellipse. I'll select that merge, pin it, and go to the ellipse. Right click on the center, expression, and again, we'll grab the pick whip, take it up to the center and let go. Now DaVinci is over there. Copy the text again. Click away, right click and paste. Let's add another merge. We're going to unpin the other one, the merge 3. And again, we'll select that merge 4, pin it, select whatever mask you're going to connect it to, which will be the last rectangle. Right click on the center again, expression, you'll see the animation goes through all of them. You can add as many as you like. Add another ellipse. Copy the text. And again, we'll select merge 5 now. Pin it. Then the ellipse. Right click on center. Expression. Select merge 5. And drop shadow. And select the drop shadow. Add a transform. With the transform selected, go to the center, XY, right click, modify width, perturb. Now go to the modifier, and you can randomly set these to your liking. I'm going to set the wobble to 0.5 and the speed to 0.5. Pretty erratic right now. That's how you connect multiple things into one scene and have them all moving together with a gradient. Okay, I'm going to show you one more thing. Whatever you connect to the mask and the merge will affect everything that's connected to that merge. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.